Yeah, if you want to take away this banner on the right side, it says debug, just add this line to your material app. If you want to remove that debug sign on the right side of your screen, just add this one line, the line number 11, add this line, that will remove that debug banner which is shown on the top right of your screen. Okay, once that's done, we'll go and download few fonts. Fabian has put up some fonts on the screen, right? He has sent something uh, on the chat. Just go and check that out. We'll see how they look. Okay, this seems apt for me. Davis name. This seems apt. What's this one? This one looks good too. Bibian, என்னடா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? There are these two fonts. How about we use both of them together? Okay. Okay, so once you're there on, okay, just check your chat box. Fabian has sent a couple of links. They have the links to the font. Just open them up and download the files. Once you're done, there'll be zip files. Just unzip them. Click on open file. That will unzip your zip file. Just unzip them. So I have these two folders, Billion Dreams and Davis New, right? Once you're done downloading the files, now open your VS Code or your Android Studio. On the left side, right click and click on create a new folder. I want you to create a new folder there which says fonts. Yeah, create a new folder as fonts. Once you're done, just copy the fonts to this folder. Just copy the fonts. We had downloaded few fonts, right? So my first one is this Davis New. Just copy the .ttf file. Do not copy others. Just copy the .ttf file to this folder fonts. Similarly, copy the other font also. So where's this Billion Dreams? Copy the .ttf file. Don't copy others. Just copy the .ttf file. Maybe you can rename this to regular. Just copy this to the fonts folder. So you should have two files now in your fonts folder. One which says Davis New regular.ttf, other one is Billion Dreams regular.ttf. Let me know once you've done copying. If you're done, we can proceed with the next step. Just on the left side, do you see this file pubspec.yaml? Pubspec.yaml. Do you see these files? Michelle, only TTF files, right? Yeah, just ignore the OTF. We need only the TTF files. Just copy the TTF files to the font directory. Ignore the OTF files, you don't need them. Just copy the TTF files. Okay, on the left side, just open this file, pubspec.yaml. Just double click and open this file. Let me take a minute to talk about this file. This is the special file. This is the most special file of your Flutter project. This file contains all the high-level information, all the build instructions that you need to package your applications. I mean, you're making a project right now, right? When you're moving this project to production, all the steps, all the references, all the directories that needs to be linked while compiling your application, while packaging your application, all those details are from this file pubspec.yaml. This is like the heart of your project. I would say this is the heart of your project. So just scroll down. Do you see this section, line number 63, which says fonts, family, Schuyler, fonts, blah blah blah? Do you see this section? Do you see this section? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you can see that, just uncomment that section. Mac users, you have to press command and /. Windows users press control and /. If you press that, this section will be uncommented. Let me know once you're done with that. Now, it asks for family, right? What's the family? The first font family is Bebas New. So just change this to Bebas New. Okay, and as for the fonts, just rename this to Bebas New regular.ttf. Control C, paste it here. You can remove the second line, just remove the style italic. We don't need this as well, just remove them. And add this weight thing. Control C, paste it here. The weight, the default weight is 400. That is the regular font's weight is 400. Just put 400 there. And next one similarly, we can just remove this. Okay, so just put this here. Billion Dreams. Font will be Control C. Billion Dreams dot particular. Remove this. Put the weight to 400. Yeah. Once you're done, this block has to look like this. Let me know once you're done. Make sure the indentation is right. If the indentation is not right, then the stuff will not work. Okay, so if you're done with that, open your main.dart again. We'll start adding the fonts now. Okay, you see this text, right? Bibian Skulla review. You have this right. Now in your text style, add a new stuff in your text style. Okay, in your text style, add something like font family. Now type in the name of the exact family that you gave here. So I'll go with this thing, Billion Dreams, for the name, and I'll just paste it here. And type in font weight. Let me have font weight.w400. W400. Make the change and do a hot reload. See what happens. Did you get an output like something like that? Maybe let me try to change the font size to a bit more. I think 100 would be good. Okay, that is an overflow. Yeah. So did you get an output like that? If you're done, let's try to use more than one font at once. Let me just copy this Kulla review thing. Control X.